Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the all-new Panini Mosaic Basketball Hobby Box. So this year's Mosaic is going to feature 15 cards in a pack. There's going to be 10 packs in a box. And a slight change for this year is that there's only one autograph in the box, where prior years we always had two. So let's check these out. Hopefully we can get Paolo Banchero auto to show you. Definitely is the best this year. Here's going to be your odds. So I like to show you that so you can see exactly what you can get with all these different inserts and so forth. There is a 250 card set. That'll be 200 base and 50 base rookie cards. You're gonna find 20 Prism parallels. Also this year, you're gonna look for the rare inserts that are case hits of stained glass and the all new Razzle Dazzle. That carried over from the football product if you watch us pull that. If not, check out our video that will be in there for Mosaic football, and you can see those. All right, so Mosaic, these, I just want to tell you, you can find these boxes on sportszonetoyscomics.com. And as a bonus now, with all hobby boxes, we are shipping you free supplies with your order. So you can pull them out of the pack, get them in the sleeves and top loads, and send them back to us, and we'll send them to PSA for $20 a card for you. Kelly Oubre Jr., Monte Morris, Dan Vassell, Colin Sexton, DeMar DeRozan, Cameron Payne, Nikolai Jokic, the champs, Herbert Jones, Kyle Lowry, Dallin Terry. Oh, there is the autograph. And it's a bad one, so kind of sad for this level of product. We got a Dennis Smith Jr. autograph. So yeah, there you guys go. We have a silver Prism Tyrese Maxey. We have a blue Prism that is numbered to 199 of Franz Wagner. This is an insert, straight fire, non-numbered. And Jeremy Schoen, rookie introduction, non-numbered Prism. So that is pack number 1. All right, next up, Kevin Huerter, Kel Beasley, Reggie Jackson, Bones Highland, DeAndre Ayton, LaMelo Ball, Seth Curry, Isaiah Stewart, PJ Tucker, Jaden Ivey, there's a rookie, Max McClung in Philly, Harrison Barnes Silver. We got a red Grant Williams, not numbered. Stairmaster insert, that's Nikolai Jokic. We got a montage insert of Giannis. So there you go on that. Interesting. Maybe you are, maybe you aren't. Next up, Bradley Beal, Jason Tatum, Devin Booker, Count Martin, Tobias Harris, Josh Giddey, Grant Williams, sticking Gordon Hayward, Kevin Durant, Champ, which we seem to pull in every single break we do, Christian Braun, D'Angelo Russell Silver, Julius Randle Red, non-numbered, Breakaway Jalen Brunson, so yet another insert set, Steph Curry, montage. I might have missed the rookies in that first pack. Let me check. Unless we just didn't get any rookies in the first pack. Oh no, there we go. Dallin Terry. I think that was it. Literally one One rookie in that first pack. It's tough. I want to send the Bencaro and Mather and Ivy, some of the better ones, to PSA. Next packed up, Max Strus, LeBron James, Deontay Murray, Markelle Fultz, Jalen Brunson, Mike Conley, Robin. Same exact card. Fred VanVleet. Yes, there it is. The Paolo Bencaro. That I will send to PSA for grading. Hopefully snag a 10 with that. Jordan Godwin. That's a silver mosaic. I don't think we had silver. There's Pope from the Nuggets to 199. We pulled a really awesome 101 optic this year. That was pretty cool. Notoriety. That's a different insert. That's Jaw. And then we have the Keegan Murray. Same. All right, Vanderbilt, Levine, Jimmy Butler, Paul George, Darius Garland, Jordan Clarkson, Derek White, PJ Washington, Zion, Max Christie. So there's a rookie pile. Another auto. So maybe they felt bad. It's the same type of auto. I was hoping to get rookie autos. Robert Ory. It's a little better than the first one. Nothing crazy. Deontay Murray silver. Do we have a... There we are. Grayson Allen blue. Stairmaster Trey Young. And then a refractor Kyrie Irving. Stairmaster. Bobby Portis, Bol, Steph Curry, Kyle Kuzma, Davion Mitchell, Malcolm Brogdon, Denny Avila, Tyrus Jones, our rookie, Schoen, Terry Eason, Jonas Valanciunas, silver. We got a red, Naismith, breakaway Bradley Beal. As you guys know, it's not always about the autograph in the products like Select, Prism, Mosaic. It's about getting your numbered rookies. You pull a 101, a gold, a red. Like, that's where we really get some value in these, getting those numbered cards. Send them to PSA, hopefully getting 10s. Makes a huge difference. So there, Malachi's pretty good rookie to pull. So that's good. That's worthless. There's Simmons, nothing. Reggie Jackson. We got a Jalen Brunson breakaway. We're getting a lot of duplicates. Julius Randle purple. That is numbered to 99. So that is our first purple. We'll fly through these base cards for you guys. I know you guys don't really care. Try to keep the video as fun as possible. Please remember to give us a like. Appreciate that. Subscribe to our channel. Now here we go. This is what we were talking about. Shade and Sharp. That's exactly what we want. Purple to 149. So that will go to PSA. That is a phenomenal pull. And look at that. Same pack. Bencaro's rookie introduction. And a Lillard non-numbered breakaway. So really good pack there. This is about going to wrap this up. Hopefully you can pull something cool here. Patrick Beverly, Cole Anthony, Jaylen Brown, Karl Anthony Towns, Scotty Barnes, Cam Reddish, Dante Vincenzo. There's a rookie of Caleb Houston, rookie of Patrick Baldwin, Ty Washington's silver prism rookie, Max Strus, numbered to 149. I don't know if we... Steph Curry's montage, and a Jalen Green montage prism. All right, guys, last pack. This is 10 of 10. What can we pull? Trae Young, Jordan Poole, Cade Cunningham, Donovan Mitchell, Shai Gilgeous, Anthony Davis, Jamal Murray, Jalen Williams rookie, Tyrese Martin. Sorry guys, it's bring your dogs to work day. Austin Reeves, silver Mosaic. Here's a Jordan Clarkson, red. Introductions, Walker Kessler. Go up there with Paulo. And a Stairmaster, Darius Garland. So if you just want to do a review here, we ended up getting 2 autos instead of 1, so that's cool. Maybe we got a hot case or something. They're on our website. We'll ship them today if you buy one. Here's our stack of rookies. We did get the Bencaro. We got the Bencaro rookie insert, so there's 2 good ones. The Shaden Sharp to 149, which will be a good one to send in. And lots of Steph Curry and some stars like that. So thank you so much for watching. On that note, have a nice day.